Hey everybody, it's your girl Juanita, and if you didn't know, I'm a realtor out here, and I'm at an open house actually, but I was just sitting here thinking about, wow, this was my really big reason for getting into credit repair service and selling it because hello, that's how I can make more homeowners out of everyone. Just literally thinking about a client that I talked to about this time last year. We were discussing they wanted to buy a home. They weren't quite where they needed to be credit wise. So we said, you know what, let's stop, let's work on your credit. And I bet you in under a year, you guys will be ready to buy a home. And that year will go by so fast. And literally just about 2 months ago, they closed on their home. So it is such a reality. It is such a possibility. And all we need to do in most cases is get your credit score up. Did you know you can buy a home with at least a 640 credit score? And I have lenders who can help with down payment and closing costs. But we have to have that credit score up. So I'm just happy to provide that service and excited to make more homeowners out of people. I got to get back to my open house now, but please follow, message me, and just imagine sitting here looking at this video now and in 6 months going out and shopping for your own home. All right, talk to you later.